Artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving. Machines are becoming smarter. They can process information and learn from experience. This progress raises important questions about the future of humanity. Will AI surpass human capabilities? What will happen if machines become more intelligent than their creators? These are not merely questions for science fiction. They are pressing concerns for our time. AI is already part of our daily lives. We interact with AI-powered algorithms through our smartphones, social media, and even our cars. These technologies offer convenience and efficiency, but they also hint at a future where machines play an even greater role. As AI continues to advance, we must consider the potential consequences, both positive and negative. One of the most immediate concerns about AI is its potential impact on the job market. As machines become more capable, they are beginning to automate tasks previously performed by humans. This trend is already visible in manufacturing, where robots are replacing factory workers. However, AI is also encroaching on areas once considered exclusive to human intelligence, such as customer service, translation, and even writing. The fear of job displacement due to automation is not new. Throughout history, technological advancements have often led to shifts in the job market. However, the speed and scale of AI's potential impact are unprecedented. Some experts predict that within a few decades, AI could displace millions of jobs across various industries. This raises concerns about widespread unemployment and social unrest. Beyond the immediate threat to jobs, some experts believe that AI could eventually surpass human intelligence altogether. This hypothetical scenario, known as superintelligence, is a topic of much debate. Some experts argue that superintelligence is merely a science fiction trope, while others believe it is a real possibility with profound implications for humanity's future. The development of superintelligence would represent a fundamental shift in the balance of power between humans and machines. If machines were to surpass our intellectual capabilities, they could potentially outmaneuver us in ways we cannot even imagine. This raises existential questions about the nature of consciousness, control, and the future of our species. The rapid advancement of AI presents both enormous opportunities and significant risks. While AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, it also poses a threat to our jobs, our society, and even our existence. Navigating this uncertain future requires careful consideration and proactive planning. One crucial step is to invest in education and retraining programs to prepare the workforce for the jobs of the future. We must also develop ethical guidelines and regulations for the development and deployment of AI, ensuring that these technologies are used responsibly and for the benefit of all humankind. Ultimately, the future of AI depends on the choices we make today. We must proceed with caution, wisdom, and a deep understanding of the profound implications of this powerful technology.